Good morning. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I'm a little sick, and so is like everybody else. So we got a thing going around, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. So hoping that that will be the case for me as well. For class today, we're going to a museum, which is just down the road. We saw on the way to the shrine when we went.
I'm convinced it's 7-Eleven has. They were leaving too, and they have white.
Just got done at the museum. It was quite cool. Heading back now. Chatting a few others, went to the cafe, but it was like 10 minutes in the opposite direction, and I wasn't feeling that, so I'm heading back instead. We've got taiko drum lessons today, so that'll be pretty cool. I don't really know how long that's gonna be, but we'll see. In the good way, in the good way.
Yeah, I'm the biggest nerd, but like, vlog check.
We made it to the place, we took the bus. I'll wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. Who got engaged?
Me and Luke just got engaged.
What? What about me? What about me?
And Hunter.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's come up and do stagers.
Maxwell, they saved us a spot.
Yo, let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I got hella trophies. The dogs are out.
Never free.
Not for free, not for free.
Your parents must love you.
It used to be electrical, but since we moved to
Eyes up here. Those are just a couple of my collections, bro.
Yeah. Where's the rest?
Number one Gooner.
Where's the rest? In storage?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are 500,000. 500,000 yen. The black ones are 300,000 yen. The small one up there is 200,000 yen. And the big one is 8.5 million yen. So that's like these brown ones. That makes them like $3,500 dollars. The black one's $2,000. And then the big one, it's like $50,000-$60,000.
Go, white boy.
Go, white boy, go.
So
done with the taiko drums. Now we're on our way back. We're gonna go to the dog cafe. On our way to the dog cafe. It's over there.
They got the big steps. Yo, they got.
Trent got his own chiller. Trent got his own chiller.
This is the one I wanted, bro.
Yo. He felt your aura. Oh. You were too chalant.
His leg's like this big.
Doggy cat.
They're just playing by each
Bro, speaking his mind.
ちょっと5時からご飯なものでみんなそわそわし始めてる。
Bro, did a 360. Did a 180 off the wall.
Oh.
Dude's training to get out of here.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, George.
So this is.
Bro, this cafeteria is crazy. We got 2 ramen shops. Trent just first tried it.
I don't even need to play it against.
Hey, Gia. Oh! That's good. Heading back from the mall. Trent got another thing. I got nothing. But Malachi can't fit in the seat.
Yeah.
His feet are old. Anyways, I think we're gonna head back and go out tonight because we got the homestay this weekend, so can't really go out. Hope you liked the video. We are going to homestay tomorrow, so I think it's a decent amount of time, a decent sized video, so it should be good. And we've been doing a lot of stuff this weekend, so big good vlogs coming up. Subscribe so you can watch. All right, see you tomorrow.